Hedi ya mambura ma muthia ma Madaraka rungu rwa wathani wa President Kenyatta muthenya wa ira kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Gardens, njetukano ya ndugu gatagati ga President Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto ndingirahithikire. Na igongona ria muthia ria gibũrũri rungu rwa wathani wake, President Kenyatta ni aroire mweke uyu gutariria maria thirikari yake hingitie no aratitirithia bata wa kugatha makiria haro ya ungumania.
We cannot lie, the devil of corruption is still alive and well here in Kenya. For the next administration to multiply our dividend and continue raising the bar, it must work from the inside out. It must not backslide on the corruption agenda.
Ruto agitikirania na itamiria munene wake ria guthinga mianya ya ungumania no na gukiria ugu akionekana kurara kuonekeria augite gukoretwo na uthutukanio wake uteti haro-ini no.
We believe as Kenya Kwanza that the fight against corruption must be institutionalized and not personalized. It must not be weaponized against your political opponents and the people you don't like.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni arataririe migunda ria ministry ya migunda ihotete gucokia moko-ini ma thirikari thutha wa kwahamwo ni turia nime umwe wa migunda iyo ari kiharo kia Uhuru Gardens gukumio area Ruto anagwetwo.
This historic site had become a den of thieves, and in fact it is on record that part of the 68 acres on which these grounds sit had fallen into the hands of unscrupulous individuals.
The COVID billionaires escaped because they were friends of the people who say they want to fight corruption. If the fight against corruption was left to the institutions, the COVID billionaires would be behind bars by now.
Geithi gatagati gake na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ni umwe wa maundu maria President Kenyatta arataririe gukorwo muhotithitie kwambika tafarira mwanya mwanya munini wake riu agicigweta ari cio cia ciongereirie mibango ya ituginya nene cia thirikari kuharagana.
Much as there was an attempt to explain that the handshake maybe helped finalize our first term plan, but the handshake completely undermined our big four.
Ruto aritie o hindi ya gikaro na mabarothi ya ngwataniro ya mabũrũri ma rũraya mwena wa Karen guku Nairobi, ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza ikiranira kugacirithia wonjoria amwe na kuhimbiria watho wa maiganania bũrũri-ini. Ribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.